Hi there, my name is Justin Mungal, and I'm an AWS solution architect here at AllCloud. While there's an emerging consensus that the enterprise cloud does and will continue to play a critical role in maintaining business success and competitive advantage, we've seen a number of mistakes reoccur during the cloud migration process that can greatly affect your level of overall migration success and total cost of ownership. So without further ado, I'll cover my top 3 cloud migration mistakes in no particular order. Mistake number 1, lifting and shifting without optimization. Lifting and shifting generally offers the most accelerated path to cloud adoption. However, what often ends up happening is that potentially simple optimizations that could drastically reduce your TCO in the form of total cloud spend and management overhead are neglected. For example, it's very common to see customers lift and shift servers to the cloud and use EC2 instances that are sized very similarly to their on-premises servers. Instead, I suggest spending a brief amount of time understanding the actual load on these servers, because chances are at least a portion of them can be migrated to EC2 instances of smaller sizes, which will amount to potentially significant cost reductions. In addition, some managed services can be taken advantage of with zero or minimal refactoring, such as Amazon Relational Database Service, or RDS for short. Migrating from on-premises databases to RDS doesn't require code refactoring if you use the same underlying database platform, and offers significant benefits in terms of reduced operational overhead, because RDS handles database management tasks such as patching and backups. Mistake number 2, attempting a migration without executive sponsorship. Without an executive sponsor, approvals and removing project blockers can be significantly more difficult. For example, stakeholders from across the organization are typically a part of a large migration project. Creating consensus among them can be difficult without buy-in from a member of the executive team. In addition, processes such as budgetary approvals can take much longer. Mistake number 3, going it alone. Utilizing an AWS partner such as AllCloud is critical to the success of cloud adoption, especially if your organization is new to enterprise cloud migrations. Partners that are experienced in the migration space understand how migration projects should be structured, what timelines are reasonable, and the workload profiles most suitable to the enterprise cloud. This will result in a much smoother migration process and greater overall project success across multiple business metrics, such as total cost of ownership and meeting budgetary goals. To maximize these benefits, I recommend utilizing an AWS partner from the very beginning of the cloud adoption process. And that's it for my top 3 cloud migration mistakes. I hope this has been helpful, and thanks so much for your time. Bye for now.